Have you ever felt that one mistake ruins everything? That one missed workout means your fitness plan is dead? This is the all or nothing trap, a mental prison that kills progress and joy. In this video, we'll break down why this black and white thinking is holding you back and give you 5 powerful, practical tools to break free. It's time to embrace the gray area, where real growth happens. It's time to let your inner coach guide you not to perfection, but to progress. One bite, one missed deadline, one workout skipped, and just like that, the switch flips. In your mind, the entire project is a disaster. The fitness plan is ruined. The diet is over. It's all or nothing, complete success, or utter catastrophic failure. If this sounds familiar, my friend, you are not alone. You are simply caught in one of the most common and destructive mental traps of our time, the prison of perfection. But what if I told you there was a key to this prison? That the path to achieving your goals faster and easier isn't about avoiding failure, but about redefining it. Today, we're going to learn how to break free. Today, we learn to live in the gray. This black and white thinking, this binary trap, does more than just make you feel bad. It actively sabotages your progress because it silences the most important voice you have, your inner coach. Think about it. A real coach doesn't scream, "You're a failure." After one missed free throw, a real coach says, "Okay, let's analyze that. Your elbow was a bit out. Let's adjust." Your inner guide is built to do the same. It thrives on nuance. It learns from setbacks. It understands that growth is never a straight line. It's a messy, beautiful, jagged path forward. But all or nothing thinking rejects this reality. It demands perfection and labels anything less as a total loss. It creates a mental environment so harsh, so unforgiving, that your inner coach can't function. You're trying to navigate a complex world with a compass that only points to perfect or worthless. There is no north, south, east, or west. How can you possibly find your way? Breaking this pattern isn't about lowering your standards. It's about making them smarter. It requires us to find comfort in the middle ground, in the space between the extremes. I'm going to give you 5 powerful keys to unlock this space. Let's call them the keys to the gray area. Key number 1. Switch to percentage thinking. Instead of seeing a task as done or not done, assess it by degree. You didn't finish your entire to-do list. That's not failure. Ask yourself, what percentage did you complete? I accomplished 70% of my goal today is a statement of progress. It gives your inner coach data to work with. It's not a failure. It's a foundation to build on tomorrow. Key number 2, create success spectrums. For your most important goals, don't just have 2 outcomes. Design a spectrum of success. What would 25% success look like? Maybe it's just doing the research. What about 50%? Completing the first draft. 75%? Getting it reviewed. When you define multiple levels of victory, you give yourself multiple ways to win. You're no longer playing a game with only one winning move. Key number 3. Use the power phrase "and also." This is a simple but profound mental shift. When you catch yourself in a binary thought, add complexity. I slipped on my diet. And also, I enjoyed a moment with my family and can get right back on track with my next meal. I made a mistake in the presentation, and also I now know exactly what to fix for the next one. This phrase breaks the binary. It forces you to acknowledge that two things can be true at once. A setback occurred and a lesson was learned. Key number 4, adopt the 1% better approach. All or nothing thinking craves dramatic, overnight transformations. When they don't happen, it declares defeat. Sidestep this trap entirely by focusing on tiny, almost invisible improvements. Don't ask, how can I revolutionize my life today? Ask, how can I make this 1% better today? 1 more minute of reading, 1 more vegetable on your plate, 1 more sentence written. These small wins are immune to the judgment of perfectionism. They build unstoppable momentum. Key number 5, extract learning from everything. This is the ultimate goal. Train yourself to automatically ask, what can I learn from this? After any outcome, good or bad. This single question transforms black and white results into colorful, valuable data. A failure is no longer an endpoint. It's a lesson. A success is no longer just a victory. It's a blueprint. You become a scientist of your own growth. And every experience, no matter the outcome, fuels your next step forward. We have to be honest about where this thinking comes from. It often grows from deep roots, a profound fear of failure and a relentless perfectionism. We believe that if we are not perfect, we are not worthy. So when you recognize this pattern in yourself, the answer isn't more self-criticism. That's like trying to put out a fire with gasoline. The answer is self-compassion. It's responding to that harsh inner critic with a gentle, firm voice that says, it's okay. You are human. Progress is the goal, not perfection. So here is my challenge to you today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Pick one of these keys, just one. The next time you feel that switch flip to failure, pause. Will you try percentage thinking? Will you use the phrase, and also? Will you ask, how can I be 1% better right now? Choose one and act on it. Take your first step out of the prison of perfection and into the wide open, hopeful world of the gray area. Your journey to real, sustainable progress begins there. Share in the comments below which key you're going to try first. Let's walk this path together. Your inner coach naturally understands this. It knows you're doing your best. By breaking the all or nothing pattern, you're not just using a new technique. You are finally giving that compassionate, wise part of yourself the permission to lead. I want you to remember this and let it sink into your very soul. Your setbacks are not your identity. They are not final judgments. They are simply moments in a much longer, much more beautiful journey of growth.